Today is Saturday. Y'all, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm moving around in my living room, cleaning my living room up, getting my living room together, cleaning it up. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like. I ain't finna touch nothing. Like, this a raw ass video. I'm finna show y'all what it's looking like up in this motherfucker. I still haven't even put my curtains up because I need to go get some raw things to put my curtains on. And my clock that I had to put on my wall, I messed that up because I put it together. Now I can't take it apart, so the little sticker part's messed up. So I really don't have nothing on my walls. I ain't even tripping off that. As long as my living room clean and it's sittable for us, that's all that matters. So with all this small talk, before we get up into this video, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all hit that like button, and most importantly, make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all can get a video, so y'all do not miss every time your girl posts a video. Y'all don't want to miss that because I'm vlogging these bangers every day, all October. So if you was not trying to miss out up on these videos, make sure you hit that notification bell. Hit that bell, because you're gonna get every video that I post. It's gonna pop up on your screen. And when it pop up on your screen, I'm gonna need for y'all to watch it. I'm gonna need for y'all to comment, and I'm gonna need for y'all to like. Sure, y'all excuse this pimple right here. I'm trying to get it to go away, but we ain't worried about this. I'm getting over here, I'm being me. I ain't covering up how I look without makeup. I'm in my bonnet, I'm in my sleeping clothes still. I'm at home, I'm comfortable. So y'all be comfortable with me. Quit trying to please everybody, because everybody still ain't gonna be pleased at the end of the day. Long as you happy, long as your kids happy, that's all that matter. So let's get up into this video.
Now I got these voices in my head, baby, I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby, I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over, we could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby, I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Terrified. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over, we could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over. We could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over. We could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't.
You guys, I'm just showing you a little overview of what I've done so far to my living room. I did switch around in my living room. I did hang up a couple pictures as you see on this wall right here. I am not done putting things up on my wall. And then in the next clip, you are going to see that I am missing a mirror right here. It did fall off of my wall, so excuse that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video.